The primary way to reset most Samsung microwaves is through a power cycle. First, unplug the microwave from the wall outlet. Wait approximately 60 seconds to allow the internal electronics to fully reset. Then plug the microwave back in. This process clears minor glitches and addresses most problems. If the power cycle doesn't resolve the issue, check if the control lock feature is activated. This safety feature can prevent the microwave from operating and may be mistaken for a malfunction. Locate the control lock button on the microwave's control panel. To unlock, press and hold the control lock button for 3 seconds, or use the specific button combination shown in your manual. If unlocking doesn't work, check your home's breaker box to ensure the microwave's circuit breaker switch is in the on position. If the problem persists, contact Samsung support for assistance. Alternatively, consult a qualified appliance repair technician. Attempting internal repairs yourself can be dangerous and may void your warranty.